Hi friends, now we are going to talk about how we can find error log related with OData service. We covered how we can check the application log. Now we'll see the error log. So this is the transaction code that we are going to use, and I will mention it in the subject of the video. And here, once we go here, by default it will just pick up today's thing. So if I change it, and I'll put for the whole month. Okay, so just for the heck 7. So and here you can see these, I get this log. So here you can see this, these are the problems that has happened, what is the error log. And again, this can happen from Fury app, or from soap service, or a rest service, from a rest service, or whatever you want. Okay, so it can be anything. So here you can analyze it, and this is very very useful. And this will be used by everyone. So uh, all the time, remember, whenever you are having error logs, you have to check this. You can click on the error context. I don't know, probably I don't have probably I don't have um, another session that is opened, but you can see the runtime errors. It will take you directly to the runtime error found run. So so these are pretty useful. And generally, if you scroll down, you'll get to know what is the error about. Okay, so whenever you see a Z, that means it's custom. So you can be using it. Okay, so that's it. Stay tuned to my SAP channel, and happy SAP learning, and have a great